Dear friends of the mystical path, the title of the course, Purify, Heal, Sanctify, was and is the motto of the mystics. It describes in 3 words the process we all have to go through in our spiritual development. We purify ourselves from everything that harms us, that burdens us and blocks us. Then we are ready for the healing and vitalization of mind, soul and body. And in the 3rd stage we refine ourselves and develop our human potential. We strengthen and develop all our positive qualities and abilities so that we are ready to experience the union with the divine. Besides the theory, we will mainly work practically. As a basis, we will conduct a personality analysis according to the 4 elements, which will reveal disharmonies and potential for development and allow you to understand where the energetic causes of possible problems in your life lie. We then discuss ways to balance the elements so that you come more into harmony with yourself and the world. The nature of blockades and how to clear them is another big topic that we work on theoretically and practically. The freer we are from blockades, the more vital our energy flow is, and the better and freer we feel. In the next step we discuss the topic of healing and its deeper meaning. We also address traumas from past lives and the transmission of problems from one generation to the next. We then discuss the possibilities of professional treatment and practice spiritual techniques of self-healing. In the 3rd step we cover the topic of the refinement of the soul, what it means and what techniques can be used for it. The ennoblement of the human being also concerns the ideas of unfolding one's potential as well as balancing according to the 4 elements and thus the realization of the 5th element. Spiritual personality work can be compared to the full development of a flower, which first rests dormant under the earth, then breaks through the earth's surface to grow and fully blossom. Please check out the other videos for each single course. Thank you for your kind attention. I wish you as always the best and much love. See you soon.